Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery, and this is Avery's World. Today we'll be doing a quick review of my favorite jewelry box. I found this jewelry box on Amazon, and it comes in one other color, mint green, and the exterior is made out of PU leather, and it has these really cute pearl details on top. Let's take a look at the dimensions first. It's 4 inches in length, 3.5 inches in width, and the height, let's see if I can get it, is about 3 inches. So it's the perfect size for your carry-on or your suitcase. Let's get a better look at it. It's pretty lightweight and it's also durable. It opens very easily. The interior is made out of a suede-like material, and it has 2 levels. There's the top level and there's the bottom level. These snaps are for necklaces. You can actually put the pendant of your necklace right in the pouch to keep it safe from scratches or anything else like that. It has a pretty nice ring compartment. I think it can hold up to 6 rings. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up. By the way, all the jewelry featured in this video is available on my Poshmark page, which will be linked in the description down below. You can put earrings in this other compartment. The sections actually are removable. Let's take another look at the bottom level. The suede is pretty soft, by the way, or the suede-like material. For a small jewelry box, I think you can put a pretty fair amount of jewelry in here. And I think it's great for travel. Or you could use it in your home, in your bedroom, or wherever else you keep your jewelry. And it snaps just like that. Very simple and easy. I think it's very classy, elegant. Just giving you another look. And I forgot to show you that these sections actually have holes, so if you wanted to put some post earrings in there, you could. And I just have to get this back in there. There you go. And I really love this jewelry box. It is my favorite jewelry box, by the way. And there you have it. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!